kids, I'm just doing a quick follow-up on our gardening video because I think I just want to make sure that all the kiddos know that I've got a name stick in here for each of them, because some kiddos, I only put 2 last time, and some kiddos think, oh, okay, I'm sure my little popsicle stick with my name on it is going in there, and some kids think, well, I didn't see it, so I'm not sure I've got one. You definitely have one. I just want to let you all know that I'm thinking of every single one of you. Here we go. We have number 1, Rylan, number 2, Vanessa, number 3 is Finn, 4, Nicholas, 5, Ivy, 6, Morgan, 7, Naya, 8 is Max, 9 is Beatrice, 10 is Nathan, 11, Enzo, 12 is Mila, 13 is Emma, 14 is Sydney, 15 is Cora, 16 Freddie, 17 Lincoln, 18 Jackson, 19 Lillian, 20 is Vivian. Okay, there we go. Our little onions are still doing well. We've got a couple of extra little teensy tomatoes over there. Hi kiddos, exciting news. We've got our first little tomato sprouts. They haven't all sprouted, but several of them have. Let's check it out. Looks like Rylan, Vanessa, Finn, Ivy, and Emma, and Lillian have sprouted. And if you look really close, you see this little curly guy right here? That's the beginning of a teensy sprout on Jackson's plant. So the rest will come up soon, but those are the first ones we see. Let's count them together, because remember, we've got a couple of 10 frames here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 sprouts on that 10 frame. 4 sprouts out of 10 leaves us with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 little pots that have not sprouted yet. Down here on our second 10 frame, we have Emma, Lillian, and Jackson's teensy sprout as well. But we'll count that one. So that's 1, 2, 3. And that leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 that have not sprouted yet. So up here we have 4 sprouts and 6 pots we're still waiting for. And down here we have 3 sprouts and 7 pots we're still waiting for. We'll keep an eye on them. We'll check back in with our little tomato plants soon. See you later, tomato plants. See you later, kiddos.